I hope you must be fine, dear. As you know that we are reading our chapter number 10, Walls Tell Stories. I made you understand the part 1. This is the part 2 of the chapter. Why these attacks? Are you watching? There is something. What did this card? While we were all talking, Sridhar called us to see a big gun, that is a cannon. We ran up the steps. You know that in the first part of the chapter there are some children who has come to visit to the Golconda fort. Here the children are talking to each other. Meanwhile, Sridhar called them to see a big gun. This is called a cannon. Big balls of bomb are used to shoot this cannon. And why these attacks? Sometimes the kings attacks for their defense, and sometimes the kings of the other country attacks, or you can use the cannon for occupy the space, or you can say the for occupy the region of the other king. Shailja, this must have been the Sultan's big gun, Didi. This was used by Aurangzeb. His full army came with their guns and cannons to attack, but they could not even enter the fort. For 8 months they camped outside the fort. Shailja, why should the army come here all the way from Delhi? Didi, in those days emperors and kings played such tricks. They tried to make smaller kingdom a part of their own kingdom. This was done something by friendship, sometimes by flattery, or even by marriage between families. And when nothing else worked, they also attacked them. Kalyani, why is it that Aurangzeb's army could not get into the fort? He had so many soldiers and big guns. Shailja, didn't you see these strong thick walls? In the map there is a long deep ditch, you can say long deep pit along the walls. How could the army enter? Sridhar, if the army tried to come from a different side, then the soldiers in the bastions would have seen it from a distance. Now, no wonder it was difficult to attack the fort. Kalyani, imagine the army is coming on horses and elephants with all their guns. Here the Sultan's army stands fully prepared. Shailja, oh no, how many people and soldiers on both the sides must have been killed in all this fighting. Why do people attack and have wars?